hit the highway with no map in my hands. Just me in the wild, chasing open land plans. The full moon rising like a spotlight in the sky, and every mile I ride I feel a little more alive.